Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do our first of many videos back from our hiatus. We're just going to go over the speaker system, the rest of cleaning the carpet, and then the dyeing of the carpet. It turned out pretty good, and yeah, enjoy the video. So this is what the speaker system looks like under the panel. The previous owner just made like a what looks to be like a strong cardboard frame with a wooden support, and then the speaker system's in here. It should be pretty simple. They come out and then I'll have to put them back in the original spots of the car. Okay, so we're just gonna unscrew all the bolts from here, and then from there we'll be able to take out a lot of it and see how much room we have. This is how much room we have. This is the original speaker's housing. We can get most of this housing in. It's a little wide, so it might be bulging out of the seat a little bit. Oh, I also forgot to take this little thing off. So let me do that and then attack that. Should come out. So I put the speaker in, and then it's not looking great. So if you can see, it's just massive. Like, it's absolutely giant. So I've decided I'll most probably just do a delete of this speaker system and just order some speakers that fit properly in that little cavity to blend in. For now, I'm just gonna get rid of this whole medley of speaker thing, clean where the seat used to be, put the actual seat in without glue, just to, like, you know, see what it looks like. So yeah, we'll go from there. I took out the speakers, I cleaned the chassis that this goes on, and this is what the rear seats look like. It looks a lot better than the speaker system. I was thinking of putting in the headrest too, but I'm most probably just gonna take this back out and then attack the rest of the carpet in the car so that we can get that dyed early before we do anything about this. And also, this is really dirty, so I don't want to put this in yet, but that's the plan. You know, for just a little bit of work, that turned out much better. So this is what the masking is so far. I've done that entire center area, the driver's and passenger side. In those places were the two mats that were there, and they're pretty dirty right now, so I'm just going to use this time to go and test our new pressure washer that we got.
Well, this content is riveting. Anyway, you guys remember what the Porsche looks like, right? We just cleaned it in the last episode. It looks alright. For this episode, we are going to dye the carpet. Black dye in the bottle, hot water in the bottle. Try not to burn your hands. Just kidding. Do it.
It's burning my hands. Okay, turn the camera. Turn the camera. Alright, we're gonna spray this. Oh my.
I was sick, just let the dandelions fall.
No, it's fine. It's fine, right?
To try and get the best result we possibly can, the plan is to spray the carpet with the dye and then brush it in with a brush. Wow. Amazing. The reason why we do this is because the carpet is made of fibers, and the fibers have different sides. By brushing the dye into the carpet, you basically make sure that the dye is coating multiple sides of the fibers, meaning that if you rub the carpet after the dyeing process, you won't see any patches, or at least minimal patches. But yeah, this is the final result.
That in the middle is annoying me, but everything else looks great.
I mean, it won't really matter because at the end of the series, we're just gonna crush the car.
We then repeated the process on other pieces of trim, like the shifter trim.
I'll get my hands on that bad boy. Oh, that is really fucking hot. Let me get a quick, Oh!
I swear it's... No, hold on.
On a real note, if you have half a brain cell, maybe don't use boiling hot water in the dye. Warm water should suffice. We moved on to some other trim pieces. These are the side storage bins. You can actually really see the difference with a little bit of love and some elbow grease and some third-degree burns. Check out the difference.
Oh, dude, look at it now.
Dude, that guy's definitely the imposter.
I'm recording, man. Okay, to the camera. So it's definitely, as it's drying, it's gone to much darker, blacker tone.
Yeah, it's still f***ing burning hot.
Yeah.
dude.
Okay. Well, don't swear. It's family friendly.
Just cut it out, dude.
Stupid.
Hey Joseph, if you're watching this, you free tonight?
My shoe.
Bro, watch the day. Tell me this isn't a goated angle.
Is it even recording? Honestly, this part is the most that's gonna get like beaten by the sun. So.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play.
It's not Minecraft. I mean, it's definitely better. It's definitely much better.
POV. There's a creep getting into your car.
No. I'm dying. Oh my god.
It's like a bitch.
Look at that.
Time to stop bullying Ralph. Let's move on to the footwells.
Just to show you guys the difference. Just checking my light's working. That is what the footwell looks like. And that is what it looks like now. Or before. Before, after. Before and after on the new Chris fix. Yeah, it's a big improvement. Show you guys the rest. Much better. It's a little wonky, honestly, sometimes. Like, you know, I think that's because it's drying, that's why it's discolored. But, you know, forget all the branches stuff on it that comes off. Nice. This is looking good. That is looking good. All very good stuff. I think I burned my hand.
I think I got McDonald's. A little Big Mac meal.
Okay, so this is kind of like a overview. This is what it looks like now. Honestly, the phone does make it look a little bit worse than it actually is. I feel like it's much darker in person. This is good enough for me, but I think a second coat would be perfect. So it's almost dry right now, actually. And it seems like we can do it again, but it's honestly quite a process, and I'm gonna just take a break for today. Actually, before I do that, here's the side panels too. They definitely looked a little worse for wear before, but definitely looks nice now. It's what it looks like now. Definitely not perfect in terms of symmetry or it being smooth, but it's good enough. Again, that's what it was before. This is what it is now. Looks pretty good. Quite happy with it.
So the carpets are all painted. We've put them back in the car and it is looking so much better. Look at that. Look at how dark those footwells are. Oh man. There are some spots that aren't perfect where the carpet has just come off. It's a little patchy, but we'll continue to go over them and it'll end up being perfect. But that is so much better. Especially these side panels, shifter trim piece, which we do need to fix up, but it is looking great.
But yeah, it came up pretty good. I'm pretty happy. It was quite a enjoyable task to do. I'm very happy with the results. That is going to be the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching through. Sorry about the hiatus, but we will be uploading a little more often. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.